Yeah, hello, good evening to everyone once again. This is Blacks in Europe TV. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. We will talk about document issue, how to renew all your permesso di soggiorno in Italy, cura medica document, we will speak about it, casi speciale, protezione speciale, and the old humanitarian document. If you want to renew, how will you go about it? This is what we will talk about today, so it's very important. Just 10 minutes video we're gonna do. So if you you just like the page, you subscribe to our channel. So today, let's start from here. Cura medica issue. Yeah, we know the new law which was introduced by Luciana. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, we know the new law which was introduced by Italia, their interior minister, Luciana Lermodese, says we can convert some type of document, especially like cura medica document. This cura medica document, there is two types of cura medica documents in the country, but normally we think all the cura medica can be converted. No, today we go explain, let you understand. The cura medica, those of una way una own, they give una, say maybe you get belle, you understand, so now they give you that your cura medica. That particular cura medica, you know, go fit convert that particular cura medica to a working permit. But if, for example, you get husband and your husband they work, you understand? Maybe you the woman, you not get waiting they call her, you not get work, but you never get paper, but only your husband they work, or your husband don't already get paper. You understand? So this man within in working contract, if you get belle, now they say give you that particular cura medica. That one you go fee apply for motivo di familia through your husband job or the permesso of your husband. But the cura medica, for the one where they give you because of belle issue, that particular cura medica, you know go fee convert that particular cura medica to a working permit. So my people, that one may wanna bear it in mind. How you go tell no say maybe your cura medica now the one where be like say now because of pregnancy now make they give you that one, you go no say they don't write cura medica per gravidanza, so they don't write that particular name on top, gravidanza. All these people who on their own, they don't state and say that true gravidanza, they take give on that cura medica. Your own, even though you get life contract, you know go fee converter. But if you get husband and your husband they work, you get working contract through your husband, ona go do motivo di familia. That's the only thing you can do. If your cura medica, they don't state say gravidanza is on top of your cura medica. So that's how it is for the cura medica where they don't write gravidanza on top. So may your mind not tell you say yeah because the law say you can convert all cura medica. So even if you own na pregnancy cura medica, you go fee converter. No, that one you no fee converter. Now the other cura medica where they not show, they not state any gravidanza on top. Now those people they go fee convert their own. Now, moving in on another issue, now about how to renew protezione speciale, casi speciale, and some people will still get humanitarian document. How now go feel renew this particular document without a working contract? Because now the new laws where they bring still hold the renewing with a working contract. They not cancel say if you want go renew document without the contract you can renew the permit. No, they not cancel that Matteo Salvini decreto di sicurezza. That one they exist. That's why now if you want go renew, they will tell you say you have to show a working contract before they go renew for you. Yes, there are some questions that you go they not go ask the working contract, they will just do for you. But in general, you need work to renew this particular trade document, the protezione speciale, casi speciale, and also ex humanitarian document where now they know they give again. Now the interior minister of Italy, they don't sit down now, they don't know a lot of migrants. Maybe the time where they give the protezione speciale or the document where in they use, that person if they come, they still they search job for the person. So the person you not get job to renew the paper and not be the person in fault. And some of the people, maybe they in school, they go maybe catering school, they go driving school, or they go any profession where be like say they want to learn something where future they will be profession in work, they no wan just go, they do ordinary work. So those people, because of the school where they go, they not still get job opportunity to work, to renew their document. So now the interior minister, they don't state say anybody where, for example, they don't give you 5 years paper, they don't give you 2 years paper or 1 year paper. This particular document where the government say may you use working contract to renew those particular paper, but you not get job at all. Wetin you go do now if your paper expire? Wetin Questura they do? As you submit, say you want renew the document, as you don't submit, give Questura go forward everything, give your commissioner, the person where commission you, where he issue you that particular document. So that commissioner, now they mostly do review on your document matter. Now them go give Questura order, say yes, this person, the story where he talk, yeah, the thing they still they happen in the country. So more na give am the paper. The same commissioner go still state say no, this person, the matter where he tell us when we give am the paper, Ibla said the matter we don't find out, the thing no they happen again. So this person in paper more na not renew one or may him come another commission. But now here is a case say maybe they give you paper, but you still the problem where you tell commissioner the thing still there they happen in your country. But you too, you not use the paper to work. Wetin you go fit do make commissioner or Questura renew the paper for you? According to the new rules, they say you, for example, as you come the 2 years where they give you, before the 2 years expire, maybe you don't go professional school like catering, mechanic, and all those people, all those courses. You don't do that course. You don't go driving school. You don't understand. So the activity where you do in the country for the past 2 years where they don't give you, if you not say you won't go renew your paper and you not get working contract, all those activities where you do for the past 2 years where they give you the paper, you go submit all those documents, join your application of renewing the paper, go give the commissioner. For example, you get certificate of security, you get driving license, you get a catering course, a lot of courses, muleto. Maybe you don't do many courses for the country. They say you can submit all this paper and you go find a lawyer or a patronatos. They go state the 2 years where you spend in the country. Wetin you do where make you not do job? Wetin be the reason? You go give them some reasons or some things where hold you, where make you not feel go work or you not get job do. Maybe you get some medical issue where be like say you need to go to hospital or your health issue is dangerous, you know, if you work, you have to state all these things. Join the application form, go give the Questura, they will submit everything, give your commissioner, say okay, for example, blacks in Europe, when I give me paper in 2018, the 2018 up to year 2020, see the reason why I never work, see I don't search for job, I not see, so I decided to go to catering school, I decided to go to barbering school, hairdresser, whatever. So see all the certificates where under that 2 years I get through the school where I go, because I know they see job. I decided to get my own profession. With that, I can find job easily. With this, your commissioner will stand on that to renew your paper for you without having a working contract in the country. But for example, maybe they give you the paper 2012, but 2018 up to 2020, where the paper expire. You number one, you not work. Number two, you not learn anything. You not go any school. You not do any course. Maybe Tessamid yourself, you not get. They will not say the past 2 years you just did the country without doing nothing, without planning anything. So in case if you come say maybe your story where you tell the commissioner don't find out say the things if they stop again in your country, they go rather keep the paper because they don't see say for the past 2 years or 1 year where they give you the paper, you not plan to build a new future in the country or a good career for your own particular life. So now if you know say maybe they don't give you a document and this your document now to see job do if they had you, it's better you go start now, you go find some courses, because now the courses have now online, no be say you go school, you go they do, so that if the papers expire, all those certificates you go attach them to your files, you go send and give the commissioner. And again, the interior minister and the lawyers and the commissioners, they state and say If maybe, for example, if they give you paper 2018 and the 2018 you use the paperwork maybe 3 months, that working contract you go put and join, even though na 3 months you work. So far as you don't work, that your working contract, you have to put it to attach all your file, you go submit it. Because now they don't want to do and say, maybe, for example, I get paper in 2018. The 2018, I work in that particular, I work in 2019. But 2020, I not get job. So before, if you don't get current contract, they go say they not go renew one for you. But now, even though the contract where you work, na old contract, maybe it don't pass. No be current contract, they go renew for you. I don't know if you get the point. Like for example, before, if you go Questura, say you won't go renew your paper, they go tell you, say bring a current contract. If you don't get current contract, they don't go renew for you. But now they say even though the contract now last year 2020 you do one, you go fit attach the working contract to your papers. You go submit and they go not say, yeah, under the year of review, the 2 years, maybe you use inside 8 months stay work, and the 1 year 2 months, maybe you not get job, now make you no fee bring a working contract. Or maybe you work 1 year, the other 1 year job not there. So maybe you go do some courses. They go consider all those things, they renew the paper for you. But it may not be like said the under the year of review, the 2 years or 1 year where you get the paper. You say you not get job, now you sit down for house, you not find way to learn some skills. Because maybe, for example, you don't get job, but you go school, you go get some certificate, they're gonna say, okay, this person, as you don't get job, you don't stay house, they sleep just like that. But you don't try, go school small, you don't do some courses, where those courses, you go use and say find job opportunity. Because now, they don't understand, say, to see the job, you not just they easy, say as they give you paper, job they way may you go do. So with this, now make they don't bring all this idea. So we have to report to Unama and know how now we take waka. If you did the country, you know say you not get working contract and your paper you ready, may you die. May you find way where you go take arrange all these things where I don't tell you. You go use and attach your document, you go submit for Questura. Questura go renew your paper for you without having any effects or any revoking of your document. So may you not sit down, just we know say work not day. Now make them to they know. Now make they don't bring this idea. So okay, 2 years work not day. But this boy you go mechanic school. This boy you go catering school. You go barbering school. Meaning say you want try do something where you go you stay renew or take find job do. Okay, they go say okay Hassan you just sit down 2 years you not work no day you not go school. May you get some skills. Where future you go take find job. So in mind you say you want sit down just. They eat, they sleep, they eat, they sleep. You understand? So that's how it is. He said, please, if you are receiving RDC, can you still receive Reddito di Emergenza? No. According to the law, if you receive Cittadinanza, you don't feel receive Emergenza. This one, endurance, Chizoba, he said, I greet you, my brother, I greet you too. Yeah, so now so it be my people. We have to take it serious. May we try. Even though we get paper, we not get job. May we try, find some courses, may we they do. With this now, you go feel renew your paper without having any problem. Any course where you don't do, if you want to submit your application after you don't collect the kit from the poster. If you want to submit everything, put all your job where you do, even for the previous years, put all attached and submit to the Questura. With that, your commissioner no go disturb you for anything about renewing of your paper. Because mostly our mind they tell us say if we get paper, you don't finish. Anytime where you go put the paper for renew, so the paper they go back to your commissioner. Now your commission they go refer everything to. He go look to your story, you go still review your matter again, whether still may they renew or may they not renew. So maybe for example, Hassan I come, I say yeah, me I like to go school where but Ghana my papa he born many children. Because of that, now make I not go school. You understand? So okay, you don't call Europe, the school you got opportunity to go, job not there. So you while you stay house, you not find something, you not learn something where will help you future, may you find job. So this one a good idea where they don't bring. I think it will help migrants. May we feel the opportunity they renew our 2 years paper and the 1 years where we get without having any problem. So the Kura Medicare, as I did explain for the beginning, if you're on they give you because you get belle, make you know say your own, you no go fit convert am to a work permit. Your cura medica, if they give you see say they write cura medica per gravidanza, make you know say with that you no go fit convert am. But if your husband dey work, una go fit apply for this thing motivo di familia, which is that one to a good document where you go use and take travel to anywhere, Africa, whatever, anywhere you want travel to. So